Hey guys, this is Mickey T. Welcome to another video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're going to get right into the video. Thank you again for tuning in. Hey guys, this is just a quick unboxing video from Back Market. So I need another phone. I'm going to be using it for just like business purposes. And then I went and I purchased a phone from Back Market. They said that it was supposed to be delivered on Friday. It came yesterday. Today's Friday. It came yesterday. I ordered it like 2 days ago, 3 days ago. Today will make it 3 days. So it came in a day early. It was shipped by FedEx. I do know someone that had ordered from Back Market and they had told me it was good, but this was like a year and a half ago. So let's see if they're still good. All right, so I got a scissor to help me do the job. I just want to say, like, this company was really good as to like keeping me updated as to what's going on, where my order is. Like, I got a message like every 5 minutes. Not every 5 minutes, but like every, like maybe like twice a day or something like that. Twice a day to at least one time a day. So I purchased the iPhone XS, 64 gigabytes. The color is space gray. It say that it's fully unlocked. The total price was $201.64. I know they charged me tax, but it's not saying the tax amount here. But I don't even see the vendor. I don't see the vendor. Let me keep looking. So first thing that comes out of it is a charger. This is like the regular old chargers, which is good because this is what I use. This is what you find more convenience than the new charger. They didn't send a back piece, which I'm kind of salty about, but I'll take this. You can't ask too much. So this is the phone. I don't know if that just need to be wiped down or if that's just like, oh no, that's a scratch on my screen. This is the phone. I mean, that's just my fingerprint right here. Oh yeah, there's not a screen protector or anything. And there's like a lot of scratches on the screen itself. I don't know how I feel about it. I was so excited, like waiting for it and stuff, but now I don't think I even want it. I don't. What is this in the back? Like, it's like little dots. I guess this is gray. Guys, there's nothing covering it. Like, all of these things are for real. Oh man. So they have like, they had two options. It was like one of them was like exceptional, the other one was good, and the other one was like great or something. And I went with good. It was like $1 maybe extra. So people usually say that's like scratches, but there's like a little small dent over here. There's a scratch on the screen right here. There's like scratches all over the screen, and the screen has no screen protector at all on it. So I know those are like natural scratches. I was so excited. I was gonna go to AT&T, get my phone set up, but now I don't think I'm gonna be running anymore. It was sent in this little bubble thing. I'm gonna have to contact them. I might have to purchase a phone from Amazon after all. I'm not too happy. I mean, I know like I shouldn't have expected like the best, but I don't know. Oh, I'm not happy. Let's see. I'm turning it on right now. I'm turning it on. I feel like it should have been better. Like, I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Like, I just feel like it should have been better. Like, so I'm just setting up the phone right now and seeing. We're not doing that. I forgot the password to the internet too. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work. Yep, incorrect. Okay, can I move forward without that? I'll be back, y'all. I got the password. I'm not gonna set it up too much because I'm not really a fan of it. I'm just trying to see if it's worth it. Right about this point. So when it comes in, right, the phone battery is already like, I would think like 30%. That's the phone battery right now. I'm gonna create a new ID, like a new what is called a new iCloud. I really don't want to do all of that. I just call my password a week. That is not weak. Excuse your language. Alright, so I just sent in the code on my phone. I just want to see what everything else is like, honestly. It may take a few, what is it, minutes, moments? I don't know. Minutes. I'm gonna ask Chris what he thinks about it, but I do wanna I'm just putting to set up these things later, to be honest. Light, standard. Welcome to iPhone. I don't know if I should have done this or should I just had contact the people and try to send it back. I don't know. Oh. So I like the size of the phone. It's basically like the same size as a 12, which is what I have. As you guys can see, the look on my face, I'm basically disappointed overall as to what I'm getting, how I was expecting it to go, but I really had really high hopes. It didn't go as planned, and I'm just like, you know what, like, don't stress it. But I did went ahead and ask Chris for his opinion. He wasn't too much of a fan of it because, again, all of these things are visible. So it's like, if all of these things are visible, they still sent me the phone. What else is, you know, inside that I don't even know of? Hey guys, so I'm basically gonna end the video right here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna be doing another video letting you guys know which one I prefer if I go ahead and order the one from Amazon. Stay tuned. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you'll be updated every time I post a new video. Thank you guys again for tuning in. Have a blessed day. Love you all. Bye.